Hello, welcome to this video. Threefold. One, to feed the fish. Two, to test out new wireless microphone. And three, test removing that audio from the screen recording and add it to the HD recording on the drone. So here we go. If we turn around, there we go. There's my pond of the fish. Goldfish, pumpkins, there's a tench in there somewhere, and some koi. So, let's feed these buggers. See how they go. There we go. As you can see, not too hungry. It's winter time, well, autumn, but this will do the trick just to get some content to rip the sound off. The microphone, only a cheap one, £17.50 from eBay. Didn't want to fork out anything expensive just yet because this is just an exercise. Let's see how I get on with it. Bit windy, the drone's a bit choppy, but there we go. Thank you for watching.